Hello all of you, welcome back to the Pretty Skillful Us. Indianisms, Indianisms, Indianisms. My last video on Indianisms created quite some awareness and laughter among you all. So on your requests, I have got to you Indianisms part 2. So let's get started with it. Indianism number 1, which is so often asked in India that it almost sounds correct by now. If you want to ask someone where do you live, or you want to ask the place where they live, you ask, where do you put up? Put up? Well, this word put up has been put up by us Indians. Put up usually means to accept someone or something which is undesirable or unacceptable. But it's only in India that we use the word put up to refer to the place where we live. So instead of asking where do you put up, you can ask the person, where do you live? Keep it easy, keep it understandable to the rest of the world. Indianism number 2, out of station. Just think of it. How many times have you used this phrase? Yeah, think of it. I'm waiting. Just imagine you're traveling, you're not in the city, someone calls you up and you say, hey, I'll call you back later, I'm out of station. Or the person says to you, I'll call you back later, I am out of the station. So, are you inside the station? Yeah, this word has been invented by us Indians. Instead of out of station, you can say out of town, or you're traveling, or you are out of city. So, better not use out of station. Indianism number 3, sleep is coming. I'm going to bed, sleep is coming. Oh really? Sleep is coming? Then why are you going to bed? Say a hi to her first. Yeah, sleep does not come or go. You should rather say, I'm sleepy, or I want to sleep. Next Indianism is do one thing, which is directly derived from ek kaam kijiye. Yeah, however, they can assign you a task of 10 things, but they'll still say do one thing. Instead of saying do one thing, which is only in India, you should rather just tell them what they should be doing. The next Indianism is order for. I mean, if you want to order something, you just order it. Don't order for it. It's a random preposition which is just floating with the word order for no reason. So the next time you want to order a pizza, order a pizza. Don't order for a pizza unless and until your pizza is feeling hungry. The next Indianism is do the needful. Well, I have no comments for this one. It has no meaning outside India. It is only in India that we use it professionally as well. So, better say do what is necessary. Drop it. Drop do the needful now. The next one is years back. Well, if it happened in the past, it's years ago, not years back. Okay? We already know the meaning of back. I have discussed it before. So, it has no meaning. It's years ago. Indianism number 8. Giving the exam. Yeah, in Hindi we often say exam de rahe the. Mujhe exam dena tha. Right? But in English we take the exam or we sit the exam. Indianism number 9. Oh God. So often used. Real brother, real sister. Really? Do you have fake ones too? Well, if both of you have same parents, then you're siblings. And if your parents are siblings or they are cousins, then you are cousins. And you are only cousins. You're not cousin brothers or cousin sisters. You just say cousins. The next Indianism is time pass, wherein we are aimlessly passing the time from here to here. That means we are wasting the time. Why do we have to say time pass when we can rather say we are chilling like the rest of the world? So finally, the last one. It's my marriage anniversary with my wife. Crazy. Firstly, it's not marriage anniversary, it's wedding anniversary, and you already know the difference between the two. Okay, I'll put an I button over here for the video. Okay, then did you really get married to your own wife? Like, obviously, it's needless to say that the wedding anniversary is with your wife. Obviously, you two got married on this day. So, it's needless to say it's with your wife or with your husband. You should just say, it's my wedding anniversary. So, that was Indianisms part 2. I hope you liked it. If you haven't watched the part 1 of Indianisms, you should go watch it. And if you are watching me for the first time on your mobile screen or your laptop screen, or you're watching me for the first time, then you should subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Do share this video with your friends and family and share your experiences in the comment section below. See you in my next video.